Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today it's how to replace the batteries in a Harry Potter wand. If the batteries die, you're not going to be able to perform magic like this.
Expecto Patronum!
Take your Harry Potter wand, and on the base of it, this is where the batteries are. So take a crosshead screwdriver, you'll need a very small one, and you just need to undo this screw anti-clockwise. Just get a good connection in there, make sure it's the correct screw head. Just start unscrewing it, and then the cap will just start to remove. A few more turns. If you've got fingers like Hagrid, like me, it's actually very tricky to get all this undone. There we go. And there are the batteries in there. They're 3 watch batteries. Make sure that the connections are good and you haven't got any degrading, and that is the 3 batteries there. If you look on the back with your super eyesight, these are LR41 batteries. These are easily available, and I've just got a packet here. So just take 3 brand new LR41s or LR41 equivalents, and when you're putting these back into your Harry Potter wand, you need to make sure that the positive is underneath and the negative is facing upwards. So I've just slotted that one in. That is the incorrect way round. It's got to be positive at the bottom. Let's just try that again. No, not quite. Let's try again, and all 3 batteries that you're putting in have to be the same way up. That is now correct. Let's put the second one in. And now the third and final battery. But Ron Weasley or Hermione Granger don't have these problems. But then they haven't got sausage fingers like Lurgs Hagrid. Once those batteries are in, then just slot that small divot into the top, line up the screw hole. That's a bit confusing. It says made in China on the back. Surely it was made in Ollivanders in Diagon Alley. Carefully take your screw and then your small crosshead screwdriver and just gently screw that in clockwise. Once that's screwed all the way home, then we can try and perform some magic. Maybe on a Dementor or a Death Eater. Let's see if we can go outside and find a Dementor. Not that you'd ever want to actually find one. Right, let's just test it indoors.
Expecto Patronum!
That's looking great. Now let's test its magic powers on a Dementor.
Expecto Patronum!
Now let's use my magic wand for a cup of tea.
Expecto cup of tea-o! Stir-o the tea-o!
I tell you what, it is brilliant not having to make a cup of tea and just use a bit of magic. And this cup of tea is magic. Oh! In the top right, how to remove mould from silicone sealant in your bathroom with no scrubbing. In the top left, how to defrost a freezer easily in under 15 minutes. And in the bottom left, how to keep your curtains super smooth on the curtain rails. That is magic.
Lurgs, you have now been expelled from Hogwarts for using magic in the presence of a Muggle.